Hi, I got so excited after making that last video I forgot two important aspects of it. Number one was, if you enjoy anything about this video at all, give me a thumbs up. And the other thing was, better still, you can always subscribe and knock this notification bell for all of my up and coming videos. With that said, let's watch the video. Well, today I'm at La Florida. It's a funny place. It's kind of settled between Playa Flamenca and Los Altos. It's not a very big urbanization, but it's a place worth visiting. There's a few pubs and bars here. In the evenings they're always busy because I think there's a high contingent of people that actually live here, predominantly an awful lot of Irish people and a lot of Scandinavians around here. There's a little supermarket, there's pubs and bars as I've just said, and there's a local Fereteria. I'm going to ask him if I can go into the Fereteria and do a bit of filming in there because it is so good in there. Like, if you like using a hammer and nails, this is the place to go. Also, I'm going to go up and down and just film some of the other sort of semi-local famous landmarks, if you like. You've got the Abbey Tavern, just a little further up the road you've got the Emerald Isle. They are always absolutely bouncing and packed to the gills, except during the coronavirus when it's not so busy. Still, let's carry on. It's a beautiful day and I want to get this done pretty quick because I've got other things to do today. So the reason I'm shooting this in the car is because I don't have to wear a mask in the car, but everywhere else you do. So let's carry on. Well, they've allowed me to come into the Florida Fereteria to do a bit of filming here, and this is quite possibly the best Fereteria around. Staff here are fantastic, they're always helpful, they speak loads and loads of different languages, and if it's a product that they can't get for you, it probably doesn't exist. So I'm going to go on from here now, and we're coming up the road, possibly have a little look at the Abbey, and then possibly up to the Emerald Isle. A really nice touch that I like are the names of the streets here, named after stars. Capricornio, Aries, Sagittario, Pluto, Mercury. There's loads and loads of them, so they're very easy to find when you find your way around. Parking, not a problem. Just around the corner from all the shops, you've got this big parking area. You can get 40, maybe 45 cars here. Right next door to that is another area exactly the same, with another 40, 45 cars or more, bringing you up to close to 100 I would have thought, so parking, never a problem. There's a big tennis court just around one of the side streets. I'm not sure whether it's open to the public, but it probably is. Many of these places are, just a small fee. And then if you want somewhere to relax, there's like plenty of sort of park areas, if you like. As you can see here, plenty of shaded areas, there are plenty of benches all over the place, and there are kiddie areas to play, plenty of stuff like that. And we'll carry on up this road now, and we should end up in a moment at the Emerald Isle. Well, I've made it as far as the Emerald Isle, and they've allowed me again to come out here, do a little bit of filming. It's a huge complex. Obviously it's going to be quite empty at the moment because it's 9:30 in the morning, but in the evenings and the afternoons it's always busy. And tomorrow I believe they're having something huge anniversary from when this pub first opened, I think something like 18 years ago. So it just goes to show what a popular place it is to be open that long. So I'm gonna carry on filming around here, and if possible later on get a cup of coffee somewhere. Well, I'm going to finish up here. The Emerald Isle has been extremely good to me and allowed me to film all around here. Considering I've lived here 13 years, I never realised how big this place actually was, because I've only ever been around the swimming pool area. I didn't even know they had a bowling green here. But my thanks goes to them because they've been really good. I'm going to head home now to do the editing. Again, as ever, if there's anything you've enjoyed about this film at all, give me a thumbs up, or better still, you could subscribe and hit the notification bell here, and you'll get all of my up and coming videos. Till my next video, bye for now.